First tonight, law enforcement in Olmsted County has charged a man in connection to Tia Arleth's death. Timothy Loftus, who you see right here, has been charged with murder in the 3rd degree, as well as interference with a dead body or crime scene. And KIMT News 3's Alec Lasham read through the entire criminal complaint that was released today by the attorney's office. Alec.
Well, Tyler, law enforcement's report details what Arleth was doing in the days leading up to her death, as well as what Loftus allegedly did for roughly 11 days after she died.
To finally get to this point where we were able to file those charges this morning, that part felt good to do from a professional standpoint and for the family.
On Thursday, the Olmsted County Sheriff's Office announced they had charged this man, 41-year-old Timothy Loftus, with Tia Arleth's death. The criminal complaint provided by the Olmsted County Attorney's Office says she was last seen on May 29th when she was dropped off at his house by her mother. Olmsted County's attorney Mark Ostrom says it was then when law enforcement believes she was last alive.
Mr. Loftus provided the drugs, specifically probably fentanyl, that led to Miss Arleth's death.
The complaint confirms the toxicology report that showed the drug in her system at the time of her death, and that data from her phone shows she did not leave his house and that it lost power in the morning of May 31st. The next time anyone saw her was on June 17th when law enforcement found her badly decomposed under a tarp outside of Rochester.
Based on the condition of Miss Arleth when she was found, there was a period of time where she had been deceased before she was discovered.
During this time, law enforcement say they believe her body was in his trailer parked next to his house, and that cell phone data shows he drove to the area where she was found. Law enforcement says they found matching crime scene items at his house, as well as drugs and a handgun. And right now, they're still not sure how she died.
I don't want to say for sure because neither the BCA nor the medical examiner's office were able to confirm, but it certainly is probably a factor in this as we move forward, yeah.
A question investigators are still looking to answer is if he had help, and are asking anyone with information to speak up.
He's the only one charged at this time, unless with the press conference today, if someone has more information that they want to bring forward, we'd be happy to talk to anybody that still has more information on the case. But at this time, Mr. Loftus is the only one that is being charged.
Loftus' first appearance is in court tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Tyler.
Alec, thank you very much. Now, Ostrom also says it is a rare occurrence for a murder charge like Loftus's to be handed down, and says it only happens about once or twice a year.